Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm starting my new journey. At the moment I'm still in Austria, but I go to Italy. It's just for a day, but I'm gonna take you with me on my journey, on my travel to Italy. So first I'm gonna get ready. I packed all my stuff and then I go into the car and then let's go to the south because I don't want to have this weather anymore. I'm gonna show you in a second. Finally arrived at the Adriatic Sea in Trieste. That's the town or city. Yeah, that's my little room, you can see. I'm gonna show you my little room. It's just a one room. I have a bathroom I would say it's like an Airbnb. I booked it over booking, this room. And it is directly at the coast, directly at the harbour, so in the middle of the centrum. So I'm definitely gonna walk around a bit and show you how it looks outside. Yeah, and now I'll first show you the little room, how it looks. As you can see, I'm still walking around. I'm on a place that's a little bit over the city, so there's like a memorial or something. I'm gonna show you how it looks, and you can see a lot of things around the city. You have a beautiful overview over the city as well. So yeah, I definitely put it somewhere up here where this place is, because it's absolutely worth it to walk up to this memorial. Yeah, as you can see behind me, I'm up the hill to the next memorial. You have a lovely overview over the city, over the water and everything, so it's really nice to come up here. It's a little bit steep, so it's a few steps that you have to go up, a few stairs as well. But I definitely would recommend it because it's so lovely. As you can see behind me, I'm gonna show you a few pictures about this really cool area here. So yeah, here all the way to the top there's a little cafe. You have a lovely view from there. I'm gonna show you definitely. If you are coming up here, then you can sit there in the cafe and just look over the water. It's so beautiful. Yeah, definitely do this. Check it out if you're up here in Trieste. like this Mediterranean flair. So all these buildings and all this stuff, I really enjoy walking around just the city a little bit. And yeah, now I'm gonna go down the hill and go back to the harbor and show you a little bit around the harbor area of Trieste. As you can see, I arrived at the harbor. It's pretty. I can't wait for the sunset. The sun must down somewhere in this area, somewhere in this direction. So hopefully I'm gonna see the sunset today as well. If I get the chance to see the sunset, I'm definitely gonna show you as well. But now I'm first gonna walk back to my hotel. So you have seen the sunset. I think it was really beautiful, even if it was not a proper sunset, but it was better than nothing. Yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see all my new vlogs. So next week there's more stuff coming about my trip to Italy. So stay tuned, you can watch another video up here, and see you next week.